Hello everyone, this is the Strategic Airsoft Division, and today we played TDM at Elite Ops Airsoft. This was the first game of the day, so there was a few players, and honestly it was really fast paced for like a 3v4. So I hope you all enjoy, and I'll see you all at the end.
Game starts in 10.
Yep.
9, 8, 7, 6.
Alright, middle looks like a straight path, yeah. Just watch your right. Go. I got him. One. He's on that side. Right. One more. Left side. Justin?
I don't want to push that far out.
You're good. Rotate back to middle. Far side. On that, he's on the corner. Push up, I got him pinned. There's one right side.
Yeah, I'm just pistol collar.
Oh, okay. Got you. Hit! Right side. Hit! Hey, one right side. Hit! I got him. Right side's good all the way. Ah, dang it. I'm gonna get hit. Alright, how's that side?
I just got killed, but my buddy's still up there.
Okay. Regroup on me, we're gonna go right.
I can't find where to score the points.
What?
I can't find where the points score.
No, dude, it's just TDM.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right side, I see you. You're to my right. Right side. Hit! Hit! Yeah. I just got hit by him. Hey, pull left.
He's in base of tower.
Got him.
I can get in.
You're good. Hey, left side. One right. Got him. It's all right. Hey, I'm rotating right. I cannot, oh crap! I cannot slide those.
Oh, he's right in the corner.
Did you hit?
I'm not hit.
Okay. Left side. Couldn't tag him. Right under middle. One in middle. One in middle. All right, right side good. Oh, dang it, sorry. There's somebody in the middle, I thought it was you. Hit! Oh, crap. Oh! Woo! Yeah, I know. Watch your feet, watch your feet. Hit!
I'll see anybody right now.
Alright, cool. I got you. So it turns out I cannot slide in these knee pads. I get in the tower? Alright, hey, right side's clear, right side's clear. Where are they? That's left, that's left, that's left. Oh! Hit! Back to base, back to base. Oh, that bad a shot? Oh, okay. Whew. Game.
And this is in the video. Thank you all for watching. So just a quick update, my new gun that was supposed to come in, it came in, it's not working. Like the battery fires, you can hear everything like moving, but no bolts come out and won't feed properly and it gets jammed. So it hasn't even fired a single shot yet. So I sent that back to Evike and hopefully they'll send me a replacement or repair it just so I can start putting the upgrades onto the gun and, you know, get that the new gun content out there. But anyway, thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.